Take the bike out of the box. Be careful not to damage the box. You may need it if there has been any damages due to shipping.
Remove the packaging and zip ties to access all your parts.
Take your tool bag, pedals, and the assembly grease out of the box labeled Tool Set. Remove the protective plate from the top of the stem and put the handlebar assembly onto the stem, leaving the two stem spacers in place. Align your handlebars and use the 5mm hex wrench from the tool bag to torque down the stem compression bolt and the two clamping bolts in the front of the stem. Remove the plastic protective plate from the dropout on the forks. Use the 15mm open end wrench to assist in loosening the axle nuts on the shipping plate. Pull out the brake pad wedge in between the brake pads. Lift the front end of the bike or have a friend lift it so you can roll the front wheel into position. Put the axle nuts on and torque to 50 Newton meters. Apply the assembly grease to the pedal threads. The right arm gets the pedal with the R sticker on the pedal, the left arm gets the pedal with the L sticker. It is important to note that the left pedal is reverse threaded, so it will go counterclockwise to tighten. The two M6 bolts on the lower crown of the fork are in the position where the headlight will be attached. Tighten them with a 5mm hex wrench. Install the front fender by removing the nut on the bolt in the fork stabilizing crossbar. It is just above the front wheel. Slide the fender between the crossbar and the tire until the fender tab sits against the back of the crossbar. Return the nut to the bolt, then tighten it down with a 10mm open end wrench and a 5mm hex wrench. Use a 4mm hex wrench to secure the fender stays on the fork arms. Then plug the headlight into the main cable assembly with the corresponding 7-pin connector. Plug the green 5-pin connector into the display. You can locate your battery chargers in your black tool set box underneath the foam.
If you have any questions, contact Ariel Rider Tech Support.